Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ESEA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today was a rough day, and there is perspective that goes into this. Meaning, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 27 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you do care about the big picture, then yeah, the bulls are still hanging in there. But again, rough in the sense of, just such a great gap up. And then after the gap up, pretty much a gap and trap. The price ran up there. Some poor souls bought right there. And then essentially just dropped back downwards. So today, by no means a very good day. However, taking a step back, looking at the bigger picture of things, yeah, the bulls technically still do have an opportunity to build a higher base. And from, again, the big picture perspective, that's what it's all about, building those higher bases. When you stop and think about it, if this level right here becomes a new low, then the previous low is right there. And then really the previous low before that is down here. And then if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well then yes, technically speaking, again, big picture perspective, the bulls would still be progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see from the long-term overall perspective. So it all goes back to what was your strategy going in. If you're a day trader and like I said, you bought up there, then you could care less about these overall stair steps. But if you care more so about the long-term story, the long-term chart, then that's what you want to see. Just the price to slowly and continually drift upwards by putting in those higher lows. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? It actually makes pretty good sense why the price, essentially got rejected right up around where it did today at $2.75. Why do I say that makes good sense? Well, you look back here and you can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. So there's definitely some sellers hanging out right around 275. In the event the bulls can get back up there and push through 275, the next key overall level of resistance up there at $2.90. So all in all, like I said, not the best day individually, but when you take a step back and look at multiple days, yeah, the price has an opportunity to build a higher base and continue the uptrend. So we'll see if the bulls can do it or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.